Hello, dear student. I am Dr. Rohit Kumar Agrawal, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Shri RLT College of Science, Akola. In this lecture, we see the numericals on the topic which we have discussed in previous lectures on Kepler's laws of planetary motions and gravitations. The numericals related to various topics, that is which was already we have discussed in our lecture on Kepler's laws of planetary motions, Newton's laws of gravitation, acceleration due to gravity, gravitational potential, Gauss laws of gravitations. And now the numericals are related to these topics. First problem, example number 1. When a sphere of mass 19 kg is attracted by another sphere of mass 150 kg, when there are separated by a distance of 0.28 meter with a force of 2.45 into 10 to the power minus 6 Newton. In this, we have to calculate the gravitational constant. Solution. By using Newton's laws of gravitation, we can write the magnitude of force is given by F is equal to g m upon r square. Therefore, to find gravitational constant, we have to put g is equal to F r square upon g mm. Now, put the values over here. Force is nothing but 2.45 into 10 to the power minus 6. R square is, that is 0.28 in 28 whole square, and upon mm means 19 kg mass, that is mass given, that is 19 into 150. Then we get, when we calculate all this, that is 2.45 multiplied by 0.074 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 2850. Then you will get the final answer, that is 6.7396 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Second example, example number 2. The radius of Earth is 64 into 10 to the power 5 meter and mass of the Earth is 6036 into 10 to the power 21 kg and gravitational constant is 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Calculate the gravitational potential on the Earth's surface. In this problem, you have to calculate the gravitational potential on the Earth's surface. This solution, that is, here we have given the radius of the Earth, that is 64 into 10 to the power 5 meter, which is equal to 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Mass of the Earth, that is 6036 into 10 to the power 21 kg, which is equal to 6.036 into 10 to the power 10 to the power 24 kg, which is equal to, and gravitational constant is nothing but 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Now, the gravitational potential on the Earth in magnitude is given by, that is V is equal to Gm upon R, which is nothing but, you have to put the value over here, that is G is nothing but 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11 into M means mass, that is 6.036 into 10 to the power 24 upon radius means radius of the Earth, that is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6. Then you will get the final answer. If you whole calculate, you will get the answer 6.318 into 10 to the power 7 Newton per kg. Example number 3. Calculate acceleration due to gravity at height 15 km above the Earth's surface. Here given is the radius of the Earth, that is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter, and acceleration due to gravity is given by g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Solution, that is given height is nothing but 15 kilometer, that is 15 × 10⁻³ meter. R, that is radius of the earth, is given by 6.4 × 10⁻⁶ meter. G is nothing but 9.8 meter per second square. Now therefore the acceleration due to at height above the earth's surface is given by, that is G at height is equal to 1 minus twice h upon r into g. If you put the value, you will get 1 minus 2 into height means 15 into 10⁻³ upon r, that is radius of the earth, that is 6.4 into 10⁻⁶, and small g, that is nothing but acceleration due to gravity, 9.8. By solving, we get 1 minus 4.687 into 10⁻³ into 9.8, and after solving you will get 0.9953 into 9.8 meter per second square, and which is nothing but 9.754 meter per second square. That is acceleration due to gravity at height, at a given height. Now example number 4. In this example, calculate acceleration due to gravity at depth 15 km below the earth's surface. Given earth radius of the earth, that is 6.4 into 10⁻⁶ meter, and acceleration due to gravity is 9.8. In solution, here we have given the radius of the earth, that is 6.4 into 10⁻⁶ meter. Acceleration due to gravity at depth, that is 9.8 meter per second square. Acceleration due to gravity at depth d below the earth's surface is given by the equation, that is g d is equal to 1 minus d upon r into g, which is nothing but you have to put the value over here, that is 1 minus 15, that is depth, that is 15 kilometer, that is 15 into 10⁻³ upon radius of the earth, that is 6.4 into 10⁻⁶ into 9.8. After solving this, you will get 1 minus 2.344 into 10⁻³ into 9.8. Then you will get 0.9976 into 9.8 meter per second square, and finally you will get the answer 9.777 meter per second square. Now example number 5. Assuming the earth is revolving around the sun in a circular orbit of radius 1.49 into 10⁻⁻11 meter, and the value of g is given to be 6.7, that is gravitational constant, that is 6.7 into 10⁻⁻11 Newton meter square per kg square. Calculate the mass of the sun. In this problem, you have to calculate the mass of the sun. Solution. Let mass of the sun is given to be capital M, mass of the earth is given by small m, and the radius of the earth is given to be r. Now the centripetal force is Fg is equal to mv square upon r, and this is provided by the gravitational force of attraction between sun and the earth, that is Fg is equal to mv square upon r. Therefore g, if you put the value of force, that is g m upon r square over here in this, therefore you will get g m upon r square is equal to mv square upon r. Therefore m is equal to r v square upon g, but v is equal to, we know v is equal to 2 pi r upon t, that is where t is the time period of earth rotation around the sun. Therefore t is nothing but time period, that is 365 days, which is equal to 365 into 24 into 60 into 60 second. Thus therefore m is equal to r 2 pi r upon t whole square upon g. Therefore we will get 4 pi square r cube upon t square into g. If we put the value over here, that is 4 into pi, that is 3.4 whole whole square into 1.49 into 10 to the power 11 whole cube, that is value of r, upon t is nothing but 365 into 24 into 60 into 60 whole square into 6 point g, that is 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11. After solving this, you will get 130.46 into 10 to the power 33 upon 3.1536 into 10 to the power 7 whole square into 6.7 into 10 to the power minus 11. Therefore, if you solve this, you will get 130.46 into 10 to the power 33 upon, by solving this bracket, you will get 66.6333 into 10 to the power 14 into 10 to the power minus 11. Therefore, after solving whole this you will get 1.957 into 10 to the power 30 kg. Thank you.